All right.
I did Alex's suggestion.
Okay. All right, so you should have that triangle, right? Okay, and then remember I told you we're rotating not around the origin?
Mine does not look like that.
Oh.
Then you should fix it. So we're gonna use P, which is at 1 and 2.
I did it backwards.
Okay.
Do we have to mark one?
So what I'm gonna do, this is up to you, you don't have to. You're gonna pretend that this is your new origin. So when I say pretend it's your new origin, like I'm actually gonna draw the lines for the axes so I know what they look like.
That's how you pronounce it?
Okay? What, axes?
Axis? Axis or axis?
Axis, singular, axes, plural.
Oh.
Okay?
I'm not
Alright, so you're going to pretend that P is your new origin, and I want you to write me a list of X, Y, Z if P is the new origin. So again, I want you to pretend P is the origin and tell me what the coordinates are. So like when I say X, no. I want you to look at this. Here's X, right?
Yeah.
If this was the origin, it would be at what and what? So
3. Oh wait. It's
3, 3 and 5. Good. Okay. What would Y be at?
Y, 6, 6, 3.
7, 3.
7, 3, my bad.
What would Z be at?
5.
5, 1. Okay. All right. That's what it is using or pretending that P is your origin, right? Now, do you remember your rotation rules? If you don't, it's in your notes right here. Okay. We're doing a 90 counterclockwise, right? What was 90 counterclockwise?
Negative y.
There you go. So we're going to use negative yx. Logan.
So the original X is just so the original X to the new X, you just have to subtract the coordinates of the center of rotation.
So, Logan noticed a pattern, okay? If you take like X, for example, it's at 4, 7, right? What's 4 minus 1? 3. What's 7 minus 2? Isn't that the coordinate we just got? Wow. Okay, now, you're still going to use rotation rules to help you figure this out. So I want 3, 5, that new coordinate. I want it as negative yx. What would that be? Negative 5, 3. Good. What about Z? Or Y, I mean.
Negative 3, 7.
Negative 3, 7. And Z prime? Good. Okay, now you're going to graph those again with your pretend origin, point P. You're going to graph that with that. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh wait.
Hang on, Logan.
Wait. Oh. I think I know the next pattern we can use.
Wait till I do the coordinates. Tell me. All right, now for your next step, I need to know what the actual real life coordinates are. So when I say the actual real life coordinates, I mean using the real origin, which is this guy. So I want to know the real x prime, y prime, z prime with the real origin. Athena. There you go. Okay, so you and Logan both thought the same thing. Now you're going to take, again, the pattern, the cheat way to do it is take the real, take P, 1, 2, and you're going to add it to that.
Add 1 to it.
Add 1. Uh-huh. So if our theory is correct, it should be at -4, 5. So when I look at x prime is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Were we correct that it's at -4 and 5? Okay, so there you go. So you can kind of cheat to figure that out. So again, you can be adding 1 and 2 to these, or you can be counting on the graph, whichever one works best for your brain. All right, y prime, what's it going to be at? -2, 9. Z prime?
0, 7.
0, 7. Cleo.
I'm sorry. Can you go over that last part again?
The adding part?
The part where you find out the real coordinates.
You're using the real origin and you're just looking at the graph. Either you're looking at the graph and counting, or take 1, 2 and add it to all of these. So do -5 plus 1 and then 2 plus 3 to get that. So whichever method you use, just you pick one of them. All right, questions so far? Okay, now we're gonna do a 180. Okay, it's the exact same steps. We're gonna graph the real shape, graph our new origin, find those points, rotate it, and then graph the real thing and write down the real points. Okay. All right, so we have a rectangle. Graph your rectangle, please.
Wait, on the left.
So you should hopefully get a rectangle kind of like that. And if your sides are different lengths, you messed up.
How did I hit the triangle?
I hope you didn't get a triangle, because it says a rectangle. I'd be concerned. All right, so we're gonna graph -3 and -1. This is gonna be our new origin here. Okay, again, you can highlight the axes like I do if that helps. It helps Miss Howell, but again, if you're not a visual person or you don't need it, then you don't have to. Okay, and then I need to know what those coordinates are using A as our fake origin. Yep, I need to know C, D, E, and F using our fake origin. No, just from here. You're a couple steps ahead. Okay. So where is this C in relation to this new origin? -4 and what?
Yeah, -4 and 7.
Good. Okay. -1 and 7. Why'd I write -1 again? I don't know. Where's my whiteout? There it is.
How is it -4 to 7?
Because this is 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So -4 to 7.
Oh wait, so we have to write like those coordinates?
Yeah. I mean, if you can do all the math and stuff without this part, feel free to go ahead. But it's a lot of steps to try to do without writing them all. So let's see, it should be what, -1 and 2, right? And then the new F is at -4 and 2, good. All right, and then what kind of rotation are we doing? 180, what's the rule for 180?
Negative X, negative Y.
Good, again, it's in your notes in case you forgot. Remember, 180 is you're making 2 turns. Does it matter which direction you go? No, because it's going to be the same no matter what. So let's see. I'm going to call on some peeps. Just because, yes. Like Olivia. Olivia, where's C prime at?
4 -7.
Correct. Matthew, D prime. Yay. Jason, E prime. Don't flip where they are. The X and the Y stay there. You just flip the signs. Correct. Cleo, F prime.
-2, F prime.
What? Cleo, I'm just asking you to flip the coordinates.
Oh, flip the coordinates?
No, flip the signs.
-2, 4.
The signs!
said flip the signs.
Yeah, you flip the order.
Oh. The, 4, -2.
Okay, stop scaring me. Sheesh. Alright, graph those using A as your fake origin. Yes, Logan.
Graph those using as you think.
Yeah. I really hate how loud that is sometimes.
Is that bell your favorite noise in the whole world?
No. I mean, at the end of the day, sure.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
I like the bell at the end of the day too.
Most
Can you
people
guess
do.
why?
Because it's the end of the day.
Yeah. Don't you know?
No,
Yes.
Saturday is my birthday.
Congratulations.
It's kind of relatable.
Alright. Now we need to go back to the real origin. Okay, I want the real left origin, and we need to figure out all the actual real primes. So what do we think? Where is C prime, the real one at?
7.
Almost, Matthew.
It's 1, -8.
1, -8.
And then D is -2, -8. E is -2, -3.
Uh-huh.
And F is -1.
Boy, can you explain that to me? How is it? How is C?
Use the real origin.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh.
Okay, where is E prime at?
-2, -3.
-2, -3, and then F prime only.
1, -3.
There you go.
Miss, how do you make these papers?
Some of them, but this one no.
Gina Wilson.
Hmm.
That's
Gina Wilson.
Costa.
So she's the reason we're doing this.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Well, state of Florida said so, but.
Well, who cares what state of Florida? I don't know.
Yeah, I found the website where they got it.
All right, so we've done a 90. We've done a 180. Guess what's next?
270.
A 270. Woo! All right, let's do a 270. So take paper, turn over. Now we get a trapezoid. Yay, trapezoid. Because it is. So graph your little trapezoid.
Oh, it doesn't say triangle QRST. Something tells me the origin is different. Is that very nice? Did you tell me to shut up?
Enough.
Nice bathroom.
No,
Wait, please, I'm being so for real. I really have to go.
there's already somebody out, Cleo.
Oh, I didn't know
Handy.
No, 10's nothing, Maria. The very end.
Alright, so you should have a trapezoid. You should have a new origin. Thank you, Willa. Alright. Alright, what do we do now? What's the next step? What's the next step? Recount your thinkings. That's so specific. Recount points, okay. So I need Q, R, S, and T. So where is Q at using the fake origin? 0.
0.5.
Okay.
That was already said.
No, I was trying to say it before Mike, but he said it.
What about R?
He says.
2, 6, X.
2, 6. Oh.
7, 4.
I swear to you, I'll be quick.
Okay. And then T is 1, 1. Alright, so 270 counterclockwise. What's the rule for that guy? Todd says y negative x. Is it? Yes. Why did you disagree with yourself?
Yeah, I thought it was negative y.
No,
That's 90 counterclockwise. I want 270. Y negative x. Alright.
Still missing.
I have a feeling it's not coming back. Alright. So far it's been missing since like what? September? October?
Are you never letting it use calculators then?
No, because y'all stole. Not like you personally, but
What if it went
my
missing?
students.
Like, what if
What
it
if it wasn't
Then no.
What if
secretly
you
brought
accidentally
Moving on. Where is Q prime at? For y negative x. So 5, 0. Good. Alright, Blake, where is r prime at? If you're using this y negative x. Use this rule with this coordinate. Turn around. So Blake, look what I have on the board then. Which one of these is the y coordinate? Okay, you should still be able to follow along with what I have on the board. So again, look at the board. Out of this coordinate I am pointing to, what is the y coordinate? 6. Now what is negative x, or the opposite of x? Thank you. Now, just a disclaimer, if you're doing these problems a different method, I should still be able to call on you and you should still be able to follow along with exactly what we're doing. I don't care if it's already on your graph. I don't care if you're already done. I should be able to call on you at any moment in time and you should be able to tell me what we're doing. Just because you're doing it a different way, you worked ahead, whatever, you should still be able to answer my question. Because, fun fact, this method is what will be on your EOC. This method is what you need to know how to fill in the blanks or tell if it is correct or incorrect. Because they're going to give you error analysis problems. So if you're not doing this method, you better be able to understand it at the very least. And you should be able to follow along with it. Whether you're ahead, behind, whatever. Alright, S prime. Jaden.
I got 4 negative 7.
Good. And then let's see. Nelson. T prime.
1 negative 1.
Yay. Alright. Now, again, you should be taking those and then graphing those with our fake origin. And then we have to figure out what the points are with our real origin. Now be careful when you're writing out your real coordinates, because be careful. The reason I'm saying that is because they moved your origin around. Your real origin's all the way up here in the top left. So be careful when you're counting, so you're gonna have to count a lot. Okay. All right, what should we get for the real Q prime, Todd? What is it? Correct. 8 negative 4. Let's see. JC, the real R prime.
6 negative 6.
Hmm? 9 negative 6. Better. Okay. Ben, S prime.
S prime is 8, 7. 7. I don't know how far.
Negative 11. Okay. Alright. T prime. Emery.
What did you? 4 negative. Oh, 3 negative.
She called me just
Wait, what? Oh, wait. It's coming.
It's 1.
4 negative 5.
There we go. Yay. Alright, so that is essentially how you're going to do rotations, not around the origin. Now, we're going to keep going with these notes tomorrow, and we're especially going to do the clockwise one at the bottom. So don't lose this.